And so let them be patient with us. We've barely been in office for less than a month. I have been in office for barely 2 weeks. And so we are on track.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. It was for Pablo, the National Youth Organizer of the NDC. Dodo na name no as Pablo, but Nidiankasan ye lawyer George Opare Ado. Now he say a minister. John Mahama, yes, a security minister, be as a ministry, be as a Ministry of Youth and Ministry of Youth and Employment or something like that. And he's a minister now. Now, so for one him say we a minister as well. He comes with V8, saloon car, accommodation, wardrobe allowance, and all the rest. The post agasa. Now, there is a funny Nigerian movie comedy video. It's like there was this guy who normally, when they were in opposition, was talking a lot. And the government, we government on any year, saying we on any year. Then he did na contesting for position or winning year. And so winning year no. Like for almost 6 months, 19 in Kabio. And the journalist back could be saying, honorable. Since I had to Obama while we win the election, no. Say, unkasa baina, and our government, yes, and I'll say, young man, when you are eating, you don't talk. When you have food in your mouth, you don't talk now. Now you are part of the system. Now, Lawyer Pablo, Minister of Youth, he has been asked a question, say, your grassroot, Ghana for Bisa Nsembi say, now, ya to Obama mwewi. Musu, you have been in power for more than a month now. A 24-hour economy, no. That ben puti na 24-hour economy no be start. I train sa watch around for omo train sa mu ka hwe kiro mu choba for omo train mu sa omo hwe mu nim sa mu ka hwe kiro mu. Eti da benda na mbe started mu 24-hour economy or Pablo e ka kire. Afede ko Betty Brofu. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has appointed a whole secretariat for the 24-hour led by the indefatigable, experienced Guzitano, and today he was even part of the meeting. Hey! Ghana for be yeni. One matumpu new. Pablo C. Afe na omu seti up omu secretariats no. Afe na mu office, afe na omu sisan konya no omu offices. Na anu Pablo Crampo no 2 weeks mponi 2 weeks pending na oye minister. Na afe na okwako printing the pictures. Ede betu ni office, sese ni background no. Ama picture wa ha, na unsuni de wa ha. Te enti se onye sa de ni wia. Enya de obetu nasi. I should share my dream, and I say to think about practical solutions that will solve the issues, the bread and butter issues that Ghanaians are faced with on daily basis. Now that they are going to change the furnitures at the various ministries, they say, "Oma buying aba." Ghana is broke, but Ghana is not so broke to get them furnitures and leather seats and all those things. Ghana is broke, but Ghana is not too broke to get them, how do you call it? All the things that you want to mention.
That they say that has been shelved, and the youth fear that the jobs that you promised them may not be fulfilled.
A whole secretariat has been set up, headed by the Venerable Guzitano, to see to it that the 24-hour economy comes to pass. We need to pass the legislation. It is part of the 120-day promise. Once the legislation is passed, we will begin to roll out. In today's meeting, Guzitano featured prominently in the meeting. Your spot and his issues were part of the agenda. And so let them be patient with us. We've barely been in office for less than a month. I have been in office for barely 2 weeks. And so we are on track, and we will deliver to the good people of this country every promise we made to them. We will deliver
the cars, the saloon cars, the wardrobe allowance, the salary payment, the travel allowances, travel expenses, the fuel coupons and all. No. Ghana is not broke to that extent. Ghana still provides it for them. And to Pablo, no, 1 month is not enough to start implementing the very policies they have promised Ghanaians. 1 month is not enough. They have not started work yet. As at this time, they NDC are still warming up. And it's for that reason that they don't think it's wise. They must address Ghanaians. They must start solving the issues of Ghanaians. Asem Riba. The tangent on which we are as a nation, the kind of leadership we are going to have over the next 4 years ahead of us, it will only take the grace of God and the mercies of God for we to survive. Because clearly, these people called NDC people, they don't have any plan. No. After try and error. Try your luck. And whatever they will be doing, no, it is going to be damage control and delay tactics. That is why when he came into office, instead of starting the 24-hour economy, they decided talking about oral to divert attention. And when they're done with oral, they started OCAL, Operation Clear All Looters. From there, they started some small petty fights, petty pointing of fingers. After they have brought the Kisei Ben into the picture to come and divert attention further. Because they do not have plans. Because they know they cannot meet the expectations of Ghanaians. And they won't be humble to come and ask, say, oh, Ghanaians, we can do it. But what we can do is that we can go and ask MPP how they were doing it. Then we can frame something around the solution that MPP was using. There's nothing wrong with that. After all, you already have the mandate. And the mandate is for 4 years. So ain't nothing wrong with that. But the ego and pride in them will not allow them to come and submit themselves and learn. They will instead sit in the offices, idle, not doing anything for the 4 years to pass. And by the time 4 years is passed, the state of Ghanaians will be worse than it is today. And you see, when it happens this way, that's when Ghanaians start crying for the MPP. When MPP come and help us out. But who do we blame, Ghanaians? We had a choice to make. A choice that could have been very easy for us. But we refused. We refused. Let's see what happens in the next days. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sen TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.